Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. After a very long time, I'm recording a tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to do a black smoky eye makeup look. So let's get started. Before we start with the tutorial, I wanted to explain what exactly is a smoky eye. Smoky eye is a eye makeup look where you apply a darker, deeper shade on the lids and then you start going lighter with the transition and other shades. Mostly reddish brown shades go very well as a transition for most of the smoky eye makeup looks. If you're doing a black smoky eye, you can use the reddish brown shade as a transition because the brown shade will be lighter than the black. This is a very universal sort of shade which you can use as a transition for all the smoky eye looks. However, you can play around with other shades too. If you're doing a blue smoky eye, you can go with a lighter shade of blue as well in the transition. If you have a smaller eyelid space like me, then you can try to use small eyeshadow brushes. So for this look, I'll be using these three brushes. This one is the PAC eyeshadow blending brush 391. This one is a Wet n Wild small angled brush. I'll use this to apply the gel liner. I'll use this to blend the transition shade. This one is a small application brush. I'll use this to apply the black shade. So I'm using this small angled brush. You can use a small application brush, but I'm using the small one to get more precision with the application of a gel liner, because for this look you'll need to apply gel liner on the eyelids. Let's start with the tutorial. First, I'm going to take this Maybelline gel liner. This is the first part of this smoky eye look. Make sure that you don't take too much product at a time. Take very little at a time so that it's easier to apply it and blend it later on. I'm going to swipe it just 2-3 times on the gel liner to apply it. Make sure that you don't take too much time to apply it, otherwise it can get the gel liner can get dried up, and while you're using it, make sure that you close the gel liner. Again, it dries up very quickly. You don't need to prep your eyelids like in case of other eye looks. For this look, there's no need to apply a concealer. You can directly go with the gel liner. It doesn't have to be perfectly neat because we'll be applying the transition shade later on. I'm going to do the same thing on my other eyelids. I'm going to take it one more time and make it a little bit deeper. If there are any edges, any places that you see like skin peeking through, try to fill that up if you're not going to be using an eyeliner on top of it. Now the next step is to apply a black eyeshadow to set the gel liner. If you just apply a gel liner and leave it as it is, then it will crease in the eyelid. So make sure that you always set the gel liner with a black eyeshadow. So I'm using this brush for black eyeshadow application and the James Charles palette for the black shade. For this also, you don't need to take a lot of quantity. Take very little if your eyeshadow is pigmented enough. I'm just gonna swipe it twice in this shade. And yes, if you got your gel liner application a little bit messy, you can fill in the remaining edges with this black shade. This is how it looks after setting it with the black eyeshadow. Last step is to apply the transition shade and give it a smoky look. As I said, this particular shade is a very nice universal transition shade for most smoky eye looks. You can use this shade or you can go with this shade too, but I'll be taking this shade today. I have made a detailed video on the basics of how to apply and blend eyeshadow, so you can go through that video if you're interested. I'll leave it in the description box below. So the black shade has to be applied till the crease, and on top of the crease you can apply this transition shade once you have set up the gel liner with the black eyeshadow. I have done the transition on both the sides and this is how it looks. Okay, now you can just go with the mascara, or if you want to apply a liner, you can apply an eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply a mascara, and for this I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So when you're applying a mascara, hold the mirror a little bit down at an angle, lean your face a little bit upward and hold the mirror down and apply it. So when you're applying the mascara, apply it in like a zigzag way so that every single lash is coated. Okay, so that is it from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for more videos related to makeup tips, makeup tutorials and skincare too. And you can find a lot of these videos from the description box below. I'm sure you'll find something which I have already made, and if not, you can write in the comment section if you have any video request or DM me on Instagram. So that is it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.